Yeah, so that's a dope question, man. So one of the things that I tell all the people that I work with is it's no better time than now to start taking your credit serious, right, and taking advantage and start to leverage that. There are a lot of different scoring models out there and different algorithms. Two of the most common that you'll hear of is Vantage Score, okay, and Fico. And so Vantage Score, if you're using Credit Karma or some other credit monitoring sites, they often going to use the Vantage Score, which is a really good base for you, but it may not be the most accurate because most lenders are utilizing the Fico model and algorithm, okay? Now let's break this down just a little bit further. When you look at Fico, there are different versions, if you will, of Fico, all right? And, right now they just released the Fico 10 version. So it's a new version. Most have been using like version 8 in the past. But Fico 10 has just been released. And what Fico 10 is going to do, Fico 8 basically took a snapshot of your credit in current time, okay? So if you had a 600 score yesterday and today miraculously you have an 800 credit score and you went to apply for a car loan today and they ran a Fico score, they would see the 800 and that's all they would see. But the new scoring model in Fico 10, they will be able to actually go back and see your history, okay? And as it continues to roll out, they'll be able to go back up until, I believe, 2 years. And so if you're not taking your credit serious right now and doing things to repair it or adjust it or get it in the right position, guess what? You're going to be hurting later. And I really feel like, this is going to continue to create that separation. This is going to continue to create that gap for the people who have not been in position to build their credit up and take advantage of it in the past. It's going to continue to hurt them. People that have had the opportunity and have been afforded, ways to make sure that their credit was tip top in good shape, it's going to continue to benefit them, right? So we got to close this gap. If your credit is not where you want to be right now, do not wait. Don't wait 3 months, 6 months to next year. Start taking your credit serious right now because it'll hurt you in the long run with the new Fico 10 scoring model.